Superman and Agent 11. Superman and Agent 11 live in Underwood in Scotland. The city is usually a safe place.
This city is boring. Nobody needs a superhero. It's every day the same. I always get up early and I always sit at home.
Be back, Mom. Everyone needs a superhero.
Agent 11 wants to make Superman feel useful. She has a plan. She pulls her friends.
I am 27. Can you do me a favor? Sure. Is that I am 99? Please, can you help me? Okay.
Later that afternoon, Agent 11 looks out the window.
Ma, look, it's a robbery.
Alright, that person needs a superhero. Help!
Quick, get your cape.
Superman gets ready and falls down. But her cap gets stuck.
I am alright.
Oh, Ma!
Superman gets off the ground. Agent 11 stops her friends, but no one sees.
Well done, Superman. You are amazing. Yes, thank you.
A few hours later, Superman and Agent 11 are walking in the city.
I think a little better, but I want to save person 3 times a day.
Ma, look, Ma! That's man needs your head.
Superman gets ready and he always puts her in snorkels and his flippers. He starts swimming.
Hurry up, Ma!
I'm nearly ready.
Superman starts swimming but doesn't go very fast. Agent 11 takes her friends from the water and go from the beach.
Jump up here!
I'm here.
All the people on the beach think Superman is a hero.
Thanks, Superman. You are the best.
Thank you. Today is the best day. I want to be every day like this.
Yes, you are a real hero with some help from your friends.
Superman